Hi, it's Vicky, Condi Systems Technical Support, and I am in CorelDRAW X4 today, and here to show you about using templates, or should I say more specifically the power clip feature in CorelDRAW. There's a couple of settings in the power clip that will, based on if it's checked or not, you may very well bring a template to the page and then have your image on the page. For instance, like I have this square here, pretending this is an image, and this is your template, and the image of course is bigger than the template, I know that, but when we power clip something into an area, what happens is it hides everything but that shape of the template. So anything that is excess beyond that area here will be hidden behind the template. So I've had some calls where people will ask, where is my image? I power clip it in and I can't find my image. It disappears. Well, there's a setting in CorelDRAW, and I want to show you where that's at. The purpose of this video is to show you, if this should happen, how to make sure your power clip is set up correctly. Or in my idea of correctly, meaning that it's centered when we place or power clip something into a template. That feature is located under your tools, and I'm going to show you what happens when it's not checked. So very quickly I'm going to show you how to power clip something, and say for instance the feature's not selected where it centers in the template. So I click on the effects, I come down, power clip, and then I click on place in container. So with my image selected, I'm going to place it in container. I'm going to choose the container I want to place it in, because that's what that arrow is wanting me to do. And so as you can see, the square is gone. It placed it in the container, but it didn't center it. So when I right click and I edit it, basically I can move this image wherever I want it. And then the box shows up in blue on the top. It's letting you basically place the image where you want. So you can edit it that way and place the image in the center if you want to, and finish editing it. But just to let you know that it's there, I'm just going to halfway place it in the box, right click, and left click on finish editing. So as you can tell, the template was way over here and you couldn't tell it was in the box. So the template basically places, the image was way to the left, and when we placed it in the box, it only placed it behind it. It didn't center it, and we couldn't see the image because of where we had it on our document. But when we edit it and slide it over, we can tell that it's only staying in the place that it is when you finish using your power clip. So having said that, we're going to take this and we're going to extract the contents, and we're going to take it out of the box. We're going to leave it selected for now, that's fine. We're going to go to place image in the center, and I'm going to show you where that's at. I'm going to go to Tools, left click on Customization, and here I'm going to go and left click on Edit. Now this checkbox right here, Auto Center New Power Clip Contents, that right there will place the image in the center of the box when it's checked. So we want to make sure it's checked. Click OK. Now when I go and place my image using the power clip, here we go, power clip, place inside container, and I click on the container in which I want to place it in. It centers the image for me. So I'm going to edit contents and show you that it centered it. So if that is not selected under your tools edit, then it's likely that's why you're not seeing your image. So that's a little resolve for those folks who can't seem to get their image to be centered in the template. So if you're having that problem, make sure you go and check that box. I'm sure it will resolve it. Now I'm working in Corel X4, but this feature will also be in X5, and most all of your CorelDRAW settings, CorelDRAW versions, you'll find that feature's there under the tools and customization and then edit. So if you have any questions you want to ask or you need help, call us here at Condi. We'll be happy to walk you through it. My name is Vicki, and as always, I thank you for watching. Have a great day.